not really have any responsibility for it.
Right.
It ain't my responsibility. But I think we kind of got to see it through, man. You know what I'm saying? I think that any reaction we have immediately, it won't serve us, as well as us stepping back, kind of giving it a minute to breathe, and just kind of seeing how it all plays out for real. You know, I mean, just as I said, man, it come in their head, as soon as he said it, it sounds horrible. But then as he elaborates and he kind of tells you more and more exactly what he means, you don't agree with him, but you kind of see it a little bit. So
I get that. You want to, at surface, the way he came out and said it was way crazy. Inappropriate.
That's stupid. That's stupid. But
did it hurt like, does the song even matter anymore is the question?
The thing is, it don't hurt nobody but him. It ain't hurting nobody but him. And that's the thing that kind of, that's the conundrum. Why would someone who has so much, you know what I'm saying, put himself in such harm's way, such a direct line of fire? I don't know. I'ma just sit back, man. I'ma just sit back and, you know, I'm not gonna step away from him and shun him, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because when you look at other demographics, they don't do that to theirs. You know what I'm saying? Like the answer for us as African American people, the answer to, I guess, the poverty that plagues our neighborhood, the answer is usually making enough money to move out of it. And the answer to our friends and family who usually have outlandish ideas is usually distance ourselves from them. So I mean, I think, like I said, I'm gonna step back before I decide whether or not. I'm gonna step back and give it a little time, kind of see exactly where it's going, because I think like right now we're in the eye of the storm. It's too soon to tell.
Okay, he made that statement, right, that he did at TMZ, and shout out to Van for kind of.
Hell yeah, I think Bro's response to it was impeccable. You know what I'm saying? I think that's exactly what he needed to hear. That's what I would have wanted to say to him at that time when he said that. But I mean, it's hard to say. I think that to say that slavery was a choice, they're like saying aborted babies had a choice.
Right.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
That's a difficult one to process.
I'm gonna ask you a question that I may know the answer.
But I will say this though. No matter how much I disagree, I can say this. I do not feel it was malicious. I do not feel it was malicious.
Do you think the man?
I don't think he said it with an intention to hurt anybody. I don't think it was malicious. I think.
But this comes from you knowing him.
Yeah, it comes from spending time around him, man, and getting a chance to kind of like see how man work a little bit. And everybody ain't really got that perspective, so I understand the reaction, and I have the same reaction. You know,
it's still,
that bugged out.
Do you even record the song? Do you even get in the studio with him? Had he said that a day before he came with the idea to you? You still record the song? So there's still some healing in the song left.
Nah, well, wait a minute. Now he made a statement after we made.
That's what what I'm saying is.
You said, will I get in the studio with him again? Yeah. I will.
No. That's big too. But what I'm saying is,
if it was malicious intent, you see what I'm saying? If there was malicious intent, if I just knew that he was just a dirtbag, like a scum of the earth type person, nah, I wouldn't. But I know, and I don't know why. Maybe it's just, because I love puzzles. I just feel like at some point there's going to be a conversation that's had. whether not by me or whoever else, there's gonna be a conversation that's had. It's gonna kind of make him see something that he didn't see before. I've seen that happen. You know what I'm saying? But it just seems like every time we take 3 steps forward, we take 6 steps back. So.
Have you called him?
Did you talk to him? Yeah.
Immediately.
What did he say?
Oh yeah. How did that conversation go?
He say, yeah, well, I kind of knew that was gonna go rough, but I mean,
why does he
the universe moved my spirit to say this and to go up there and speak.
Wow.
So I felt like I had to do it, and he said, and it's gonna. He said he tends to believe that it's going to force everyone to engage and discuss things that we would not have discussed before he made that statement. And he says if people have to hate me in order to do that, then so be it.
You voting for him if he runs in 2024? What he said?
Come on, man. That's too much.
No.
Too much too soon.
Hey, well,
too much too soon.
Well, look, man. Any message for you already talked to him, but any message for the people that were hurt by that?
I mean, man, just give us some time. Just give us some time. It's alright to be hurt. It's alright to be mad. It's alright to be upset. You know what I mean? Just give us some time. You know, like. Take care of some time, man. You know, we got to get this piece of nutsack that was elected in the office. We got to give him 4 years at least. So we give him 4 years, and we know his intentions.
Yeah.
At least we can give this guy of ours a little time to kind of see it through. I don't know, man. I don't know.
Is there any way you can bounce back from it though?
I don't know, man. I don't know. I mean, who knows, man? Maybe 15 years from now something will happen and we'll look back and be like, oh, now we get it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know.
Being on that song now, are you like, damn, now this could hurt me, but
nah.
I don't know.
Everybody know where I stand.
I know.
Everybody know where I stand.
We know enough.
He do too. You know what I'm saying? And I mean, I think that when we speak, I believe he get a sense of where I'm at and why I challenge him or speak to him the way that I do, or as candidly and honest as I do. And I think that's something he can appreciate. But this just has to work out in God's time. I ain't no magician. I don't know how to, read people. I'm not Magneto or Professor X. I don't know how to move mountains.
Do you buy that whole, hey, well, I'm not taking my medicine?
Man, listen, I don't know. I only take what a person gives me. Whether he's medicated or not medicated, or inebriated or not inebriated, I just take what the actual human being gives me upon our interaction. That's all I can go off of.
Well, look, man, we look to you as a voice of our time. I sincerely do. Hey, what about any message for our guy Van though? Because like I feel like it's a moment for him right now.
He did his job. He did his job, man. Hats off to you. Hats off. And when I spoke to Kanye, he appreciated Van's response. Yes. He didn't he appreciated it. He said, man, he said, did you see the emotion it got from the guy? Like, that's how he felt. Like, did you see how it made him move? Did you see how it made him? I don't know what the
I know.
Cuz, I don't know.
Praying for him?
Yeah, but faith without works is dead.
Man.
You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro.
Right on, man.
Any words for Bill Cosby?
Huh?
Any words for Bill Cosby? Guilty on all counts.
Hey, man. What we gonna do about Trump?
Get rid of him.
Okay, I'm saying,
good point.
he got,
yeah.
Yeah,
you're right.
He got stuff going on too.
You're right.
So why is it that when a black man is convicted of something, it's accused of something, there's a conviction, but when a white man is, he become president.
Like Harvey Weinstein too. You're not going to jail.
I mean, I guess it's a host of them. I don't know why this is. I don't know.
Yeah.
But I think it's horrible. I think it's horrible. I think that all the victims, they deserve closure.
Yeah. Look, Tip, man, hey, keep
But I
doing
will
you.
say that white lady y'all had on TMZ, right?
Which one?
TMZ?
I don't know.
Who?
The white lady y'all had on TMZ, she was calling in. I just happened to have seen it.
Candace? No, the white lady.
I think it said that she was one. I think it said that she was one of the victims or something.
Okay, yeah.
And she said,
oh yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, he should get raped in jail.
whatever she said.
Yeah.
But she gave an example. She said if it were a poor black man, you wouldn't be considering not saying.
Let me in too close.
But she failed to say what would happen to a rich white man. She said what would happen to a poor black man, but she didn't say what she felt would happen to a rich white man.
I think we know the answer to that.
Well, I'm interested to see how she would actually deal with that, how she would approach that. And I think that it's awfully one-sided to address one walk of life and not another.
That's real. That's real. I mean, honestly, Tip, make people think. Keep doing it. All right.
Hey, for one, please, everybody, this ain't all on me.
Nah,
You know what I'm saying? We're a community.
The burden ain't all on
This is a
you.
community, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't all my problem.
Nope.
You know, I'm gonna do my part. I'm gonna carry my load. I'm gonna lift what I can lift. You know what I'm saying? But I don't have all the answers, and I can't do all the work.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? It is a work in progress, for all of us. So appreciate y'all.
Okay, thank you.
All right, brother.
Appreciate it.
All right,
Hey, that suit, the name of that suit, the designer, the name.
Designer. Oh, it's tailor-made to fit.
It's great,
It's
man.
bespoke. How do you
Very good.
right.